everyone, my name is Chef Reema Kavde. I welcome you all to the exclusive episode of Baking with Bake Heaven, sponsored by Bake Heaven Confectionery. Today we are going to see how to lace the cake. So now I'm going to show you how to use this Bake Heaven edible lace to decorate your cakes. They have wide variety of colors in this. To use this, we need the silicone molds. You will find it in the market. We need the palette knife, and also we need this kind of scraper. Okay, you can use any plain scraper, whichever is available at you. So now I'm going to spread this golden lace. I'm choosing this golden lace. Okay, so with the help of this spoon, I'm going to scoop up some quantity to this silicone mat. Okay. Now with the help of this palette knife, I'm going to spread this. If you don't want it to mess up the table, please spread a butter paper as an underliner. We need some more of this. So you make sure that each gap is filled properly and evenly. Spread it very nicely and evenly everywhere. I'm going to scrape out the excess one into this bowl. Now as you can see, the gaps have been filled very nicely. Somewhere if you will find that it's not been filled, just make sure that you fill this all the gaps very nicely, because when you will remove this lace, when it is completely dried off, you will find if there is gap, you will find there is the lace, the evenness will not come into this. So make sure कि पूरी तरीके से अच्छी तरीके से सब जगह से ब्लॉक्स इसके जो है गैप्स ये फील्ड अप हो. Okay, so now as you can see, so there are two types of things what you can do to dry up this. You can also keep this overnight and next day you can use it when it is completely dry. If you wanted to use it very instantly, you can either put it into this oven. You can preheat the oven at 100 degree and keep this for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you will find that it will go sink. Okay, this portion will get sink it up. You have to do again the second layer for this, and then you can use it. But I will prefer you can always go with this. You will dry it up into a overnight process. That would be very better. So as you can see, it's ready, and I'm going to keep this for overnight to dry it up. So to save our time, we have already made those lace. You can see those beautiful lace are here. We have made those lace with Bake Heaven's product, that is Bake Heaven edible glaze. You can see this. We have white color also over here. Okay, we have some other colors also. They are looking so real, you can't find out that those are edible lace. So here are some more. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I have already made a fondant cake to show you how to decorate your cake with this edible lace. I'm going to keep this for 24 hours. Let's see after 24 hours how it turned out. So now I'm going to show you how to remove this lace from the silicone mat. We have already made this and we have kept it for 24 hours. Like for overnight also you can keep this. So I'm going to show you this. So you can see how easily it will come out. You just have to make sure that you remove it very slowly. Make sure when you remove this, your hands has to be not wet, okay? It should not be wet, it has to be completely dry, or the surface or anything, there should not be a water or a drop of moisture, anything, okay? Because if you will put your wet hands over here, it may be, there are chances that it maybe get sticky and you will not get the evenly like this it is, okay? So now we have already finished one finish of the cake and we have kept it. I'm going to show you how to lace this on that cake. So as you can see, we have already done the finishing of our cake with a fondant. I'm going to use this golden lace to cover this fondant, okay, to save. So the most important thing is you can also use water, apply little water, and then you can place this lace, or else I'm not going to apply anything because I have kept this cake into a fridge and you can see it is little sticky. So I'm going to use this as it is, so it will get stick into the fondant. Just press it nicely with your fingertips, okay? So this another one, I'm going to place it over here. Okay, so this I have used a golden lace. Here I am going to use this white lace. You can use any color of your choice. So here you have seen how beautifully we have covered a cake with a edible Bake Heaven's lace. So here is our cake ready. We have used this Bake Heaven edible lace. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share. Do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.